Welcome to Prime Choices, your go-to channel for the best Amazon product recommendations. We bring you top-rated items across all categories to help you make informed buying decisions. Hey everyone! Meet the ultimate car charging solution, the Retractable Car Charger. With a powerful 66W 4-in-1 superfast charge, retractable 31.5-inch cables, and dual USB ports, it's perfect for all your devices. Compatible with iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro Max XR, iPads, Samsung, and Pixel phones. Keep your gadgets powered up on the go. Click the link below to grab yours now and never worry about low battery again. Hey, pet lovers! Tired of fur everywhere? Meet the Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover. This reusable lint roller is perfect for tackling pet hair on furniture, couches, carpets, clothing, and bedding. It's portable and works on multiple surfaces. Say goodbye to fur and hello to a cleaner home. Click the link below to get your Chom roller now. Hey everyone! Upgrade your charging game with the INIU wireless charger. This 15W Fast Qi certified station offers super fast, hassle-free charging with a sleep-friendly adaptive light. Perfect for iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro, XS, 8 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S23, S22, S21, Note 20, Google, and more. Keep your devices powered up effortlessly. Introducing the JISULIFE portable neck fan in dark green. Say goodbye to traditional fans with its innovative bladeless design. This hands-free, wearable fan features a powerful 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery and offers 3 adjustable speeds for personalized comfort. Perfect for women and men on the go, whether you're outdoors, at the gym, or simply relaxing at home. Stay cool effortlessly with the JISULIFE portable neck fan. Available now on Amazon. Introducing the Keurig K-Mini, your perfect companion for that quick cup of coffee. This sleek single-serve coffee maker brews any cup size between 6 to 12 ounces, fitting seamlessly into any space with its compact design. Just add water, pop in your favorite K-cup pod, and enjoy fresh coffee in minutes. Ideal for home, office, or dorm room use, it's hassle-free and easy to operate. Choose from hundreds of delicious K-cup pod varieties, available on Amazon. Experience convenience and quality with the Keurig K-Mini today.
Introducing the Perilogics Universal in-flight airplane phone holder mount. Your ultimate hands-free companion for air travel. This pocket-sized essential allows for easy, multi-directional viewing with its dual 360-degree rotation feature, ensuring you always have the perfect angle. Whether you're watching movies, reading, or gaming, it securely holds your phone during flights, making it a must-have travel accessory. Compact and lightweight, it fits into any carry-on effortlessly. Elevate your flying experience with the Perilogics airplane phone holder mount, available now on Amazon. Stay entertained and connected, even at 30,000 feet.
The Hiearcool waterproof phone pouch, your ultimate companion for water adventures. This IPX8 certified waterproof case ensures your iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro Max, or any smartphone stays dry up to 100 feet underwater. Perfect for beach days, cruises, or any outdoor activities, it protects against water, dust, and snow. Each pack includes 2 8.3-inch pouches, allowing you to share the fun securely. Introducing LED flashlight gloves, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. These gloves feature built-in LED lights on the index finger and thumb for hands-free illumination, ideal for fishing, camping, or repairs. Lightweight, comfortable, and adjustable for a perfect fit. Whether as a unique birthday gift or stocking stuffer, these gloves shine bright. Available on Amazon. Unleash your gaming potential with the Razer Tartarus Vive 2 gaming keypad. Featuring Make a membrane key switches, 32 programmable keys, and customizable chroma RGB lighting, it's the ultimate companion for gamers seeking precision and style. Whether you're mastering FPS, dominating MMOs, or exploring any game genre, this keypad enhances your gameplay experience with unparalleled control. Elevate your setup with the Razer Tartarus Vive 2 and take your gaming to the next level. Introducing the Rowenta Access Steam Iron, your ultimate companion for flawless ironing. With a powerful stainless steel sole plate and efficient steam diffusion, it effortlessly smooths out wrinkles in black clothes and beyond. Enjoy hassle-free ironing with features like auto-off and anti-drip, making it safe and reliable. Perfect for anyone seeking precision and ease in their ironing routine. Elevate your ironing experience with the Rowenta Access Steam Iron, available now on Amazon.
Thanks for tuning in to the first episode of Prime Choices, where we bring you the best and coolest tech gadgets from Amazon. We hope you enjoyed our top 10 must-have Amazon gadgets coolest tech list. If you found some new gadgets to add to your wish list, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest Amazon finds.